Looking for a way to elevate your oral care routine in 2025? In this video, we're going to dive into the top 4 water flossers of the year, helping you make an informed decision for your dental hygiene. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 4. Insmart Dental Water Flosser. If you're looking for an efficient and convenient way to maintain your oral hygiene, the Insmart Dental Water Flosser might be exactly what you need. This powerful oral irrigator features a 300 milliliter detachable and cleanable water tank. It provides enough capacity for uninterrupted cleaning, so you don't have to refill constantly. Plus, the upgraded full-opening water tank makes it easy to thoroughly clean any limescale and dental plaque buildup, a feature that's not commonly found in regular oral irrigators. What sets this water flosser apart is its high efficiency. With 1,800 pulses per minute water pressure and 4 precision jet nozzles, it ensures that every corner of your mouth is thoroughly cleaned, eliminating up to 99.99% of food debris and plaque. This powerful cleaning action makes it ideal for people with periodontitis or those wearing braces. The Insmart Dental Water Flosser comes with a 2,000 mAh lithium battery that can last up to 21 days on a single charge. It recharges quickly in just 4 hours via the included USB cable, making it perfect for regular use at home or on the go. It also offers 4 different cleaning modes: normal, soft pulse, and DI, while allowing you to tailor the intensity to your needs. Thanks to its low-noise design and memory function, it's easy to set it up just the way you like for each use. Ideal for both home and travel, this portable device comes with a convenient storage bag and 4 interchangeable jet tips for the whole family. Number 3. Seago SG833 Portable Water Flosser. The Seago SG833 Portable Water Flosser offers a powerful and efficient way to maintain your oral hygiene, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features. This cordless water dental flosser is equipped with a motor that generates high-pressure water pulses, ranging from 15 to 2,000 times per minute, with a pressure range of 80 to 160 pounds per square inch. This ensures that it effectively removes up to 99% of plaque from treated areas, making it a superior choice compared to traditional string floss, especially for individuals with specific tooth conditions or periodontal pockets. The Seago SG833 comes with 3 different modes daily, high and pulse, each designed to cater to different oral care needs. It also features a memory function that remembers your last selected mode for added convenience. The flosser includes 5 interchangeable jet tips, allowing you to clean hard to reach areas like around dental work or braces. It is recommended to replace the nozzles every 6 months for optimal performance. With a 200 milliliter water tank, this flosser provides ample water capacity for a full 2-minute cleaning session without the need for additional refills. The flosser is equipped with internal and external double waterproof protection rated at IP7, making it safe for use in the shower. Its USB rechargeable battery provides up to 30 days of continuous use on a single charge, and it comes with a portable waterproof storage bag for easy transport. The Seago SG833 is compact, lightweight, and operates at a noise level lower than 59 decibels, ensuring it can be used quietly without disturbing others. Number 2. Soocas W3 Oral Irrigator. The Soocas W3 Oral Irrigator is designed to deliver a superior oral care experience with its advanced features and cutting-edge technology. It offers a powerful pulse water flow, reaching up to 0.6 millimeters of fine pulsed water that penetrates deep into the crevices of your teeth. This allows it to effectively flush away food residues and prevent dental plaque, providing a hygienic and clean oral environment. With 1,300 pulses per minute, the Soocas W3 ensures stable and thorough cleaning, removing up to 99.99% of food debris from your teeth. This portable water flosser comes with 7 distinct modes to cater to various dental care needs. The standard and gum care modes each feature 3 strength levels, low, medium, and high, offering a total of 7 intensity settings for a personalized experience. Additionally, the Soocas W3 includes a point shooting mode to tackle stubborn tooth stains, making it suitable for all types of oral conditions. The water flosser comes equipped with 4 interchangeable nozzles standard, gum care, pulse, and tongue scraper, each designed for specific dental needs. All nozzles feature a 360-degree rotational design, allowing for flexible and comprehensive cleaning in every direction. With a rechargeable battery, the Soocas W3 provides up to 80 days of use on a single charge, fully charging in just 4 hours via a USB-C cable. It is also IPX7 waterproof, making it safe to use in the shower. Its portable design, leak-proof water tank, and included nozzle storage case make it ideal for travel. Number 1. Mornwell D52 Water Dental Flosser. The Mornwell D52 Water Dental Flosser is designed to provide a thorough and effective oral cleaning experience with advanced features for optimal performance. This dental flosser utilizes ultra-fine dual-thread water pulse technology, delivering pulses at 1,200 to 14 times per minute. This powerful water flow removes up to 99.9% of dental plaque and spot buildup, ensuring deep teeth cleaning while also massaging the gums to improve gum health and freshen breath. It is an ideal solution for addressing oral issues like bad breath, dental plaque, and gingival bleeding. One of the standout features of the Mornwell D52 is its upgraded 300 milliliter water tank. This large capacity means you no longer need to refill the tank frequently, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The tank is twice the size of many other models, making it more efficient for daily use. Additionally, the flosser is equipped with 3 different cleaning modes: normal, soft, and pulse, each designed to cater to various oral care needs. The soft mode is especially gentle, making it perfect for first-time users or those with sensitive gums. This water flosser also features an impressive 30-day battery life on a single charge. The built-in 14 mAh lithium-ion battery only requires 4 hours to fully charge and supports continuous use for a full month. The Mornwell D52 is IPX7 waterproof, making it safe to use in the shower. With its ergonomic handle, 4 interchangeable nozzles, and memory function, it is easy to customize the experience for all family members. There you have it, the 4 best water flossers for 2025. Whether you're looking for power, portability, or advanced features, these top picks have got you covered. Let us know in the comments which one you're most excited to try.